Hello everyone. In today's digital world, protecting data is very important. Personal messages, confidential files, and digital messages need security from unauthorized access. This is where cryptography plays an important role. Cryptography converts readable data called plaintext into unreadable forms called ciphertext. Only the correct key can convert it back to its original form. My project is based on the two-bit cipher, a strong symmetric encryption algorithm designed by Bruce Sensier in 1998. It uses the same key for encryption and decryption and supports key sizes of 128, 192, and 256 bits. In this project, I developed an application to securely encrypt and decrypt both text messages and images files. The backend performs the actual encryption and decryption using two-fish algorithm. First, the program checks the key length because two-fish only accepts 16, 24, or 32 bytes keys. Then padding is added since two-fish works on fixed 16 bytes block. For encryption, a random initializer vector or IB is generated in CBC mode. Each plaintext block is first combined with the previous encryption block using XOR, then encrypted using two-fish. For decryption, the same process is reversed using the key to recover the original message or image. Text is converted using base 64 for safe display. The frontend provides a user-friendly, interactive, and visually appealing interface for users. The homepage allows users to choose encrypt or decrypt, then select text or image files. On the action page, users enter the secret key, type the message or choose an image and run the process. Features like key validation, save output, and simple navigation make the application easy and efficient to use. Thank you.